workshop is really a place where everyone comes together across airlines, across airports, across technology providers to collaborate and to see how we can provide the future of travel in a more seamless way. We are working on contactless travel, meaning that users across the Google ecosystem, including Android, are able to store digital credentials in a digital and secure way within Google Wallet, and then see with the different airlines and airports on how we can enable contactless travel from booking through to checking and also boarding a plane. For sure, inspiration and also the ability to collaborate as part of a huge ecosystem with different players where everyone can bring in their strengths and where we can create the best possible experience for future travelers.